Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the Sensational Ian channel. This is me again, Ian. And today I'm going to bring you a video tutorial. It's about Facebook Messenger dark mode. But before we get into the video,
if you like the content you see here, be sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe button below. And turn on that bell notification to get notified on future contents. Also, please don't forget to share it on your social media accounts.
alright, so sa video tutorial na papakita ko po sa inyo, it's totally different. Kasi si Facebook finally na nagbigay na siya ng official update na pwede na nating gawing dark mode ang ating Facebook Messenger application to Facebook. Thank you so much na meron na kaming ganitong feature. Also, itong application o itong update na to pwedeng gawin to any Android or iOS phones. So, of course, mabe-benefit lahat ng mga users nito, especially ako. Nakita niyo naman, hindi ganun kalinaw ang mata ko. I wear eyeglasses para lang magamit to, particularly at night. Instead of just parang babaan na lang natin yung brightness, at least with this dark mode, we get to use the application walang hassle. So without further ado, I'm going to showcase to everyone yung video tutorial ko on how to turn on the Facebook Messenger dark mode.
Alright, so papakita ko na po sa inyo yung tutorial on how to turn your Facebook Messenger application to dark mode. Again, thank you Facebook for this wonderful update. Alright, so make sure na updated yung application natin, otherwise hindi siya mag-work. So, let's open the application. Alright, next step is make sure to open a chat with someone or any existing chat feed. So sa case ko, i-open ko yung sa asawa ko. And then, I'm going to send a crescent moon emoji to this chat. So, pindutin lang natin to and then go to emoji. Alright. Hanapin natin yung crescent moon na emoji. So, ito yun. So, ayan. So, then, this one. Alright. So, mangyayari, yung crescent shaped moons will fall. So, teka lang ayun, lalabas na itong message na to sa taas. You found dark mode. Your friends can also unlock it by sending the moon emoji. So, let's turn this on. Alright, so ayan, nakalagay na siya dito, dark mode. And then toggle natin yung dark mode on. Alright, so may lalabas siyang message. It says work in progress. While we put the finishing touches on dark mode, it won't appear anywhere in Messenger. So let's hit OK. There you go. Okay, be warned na if nagawa niyo na to previously, hindi na siya mauulit unless you're going to clear cache and history or i-uninstall and reinstall natin siya. So that's about it for this tutorial. Thank you.
Alright, so that concludes the tutorial video. Thank you so much sa panonood nyo ng aking short video. So if you find the video useful or if you enjoyed watching it, so leave a comment below and also hit subscribe and notification bell to get updates on my future contents. So once again, this is Ian, the Sensational Ian. God bless everyone and see you next time, boys and girls. Cheers!